Hello guys, as every Saturday a video from my car about topics related to Laravel but not necessarily about Laravel. I have a bit of a cold, so I won't bother you too long with my kind of broken voice, and I want to touch on one problem that I see is too many opinions online, on Twitter, on YouTube comments, elsewhere, on forums, on what Laravel should do in the future. I see a lot of people commenting on what Taylor should do next, what Laravel new version should do, what some packages or tools should release, how they should change, how should they improve, and why are they broken. Ironically, those comments often come from people who never actually released something, never actually contributed to Laravel itself, or never actually raised that issue directly to the package creators or project creators. They are just commenting in the wild from their Twitter account or YouTube account, like on a side, but never actually raised those issues with the comments directly on GitHub, for example. So for Laravel, there's a repository for Laravel ideas, which is not ideal because it's not really actively monitored. But if you want to contribute to the framework, you should discuss that probably in a GitHub pull request of Laravel framework repository, or you can raise that question on Laracast forum, or maybe mention directly Taylor on Twitter. Sometimes he reacts to better ideas. But be prepared to do your own homework to prepare the idea. Why you need that, why the other alternatives are bad, what exactly are you proposing. You need to write some code, write some testing scripts maybe, not sure, depending on your idea. But just one tweet or just one comment on why Laravel doesn't have such feature or why Laravel doesn't work this or that way, no one will actually react or do anything based on one simple tweet or one simple sentence. Raise the discussion. If your problem is really worth it, write a blog post describing that, share on Twitter, mention me, and I will gladly retweet your ideas, which will maybe come to Taylor or to other maintainers, or even contribute to the framework itself. So build the full feature and introduce that in a pull request. Whatever you do, just don't write solo single comments explaining how they should do something in Laravel. And it's not necessarily about Laravel, it could be any example how they should do something in their tool, especially if it's an open source tool. You have all the rights and all the powers to contribute yourself. And if it's a paid tool and if you are a customer, write to the support email or support messages or whatever they use for the support, but not directly blame anyone on Twitter or publicly. It's just a bad tone, and your tweet or message or comment would likely not actually be useful or actionable. What do you think? Do you see as many people as I do like this on Twitter or anywhere publicly? The people with the opinion, with suggestions, but who has never actually contributed meaningfully. I hope a lot of them will change and become contributors. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.